Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Last session we had discussed the word problem of pair of a linear equation in two variable. In this session we will discuss more related of a word problem. So in this session we have to discuss about the age related problem. Let us discuss. So this is the consider as a level of 4. So the age of two friends here given. The age of two friends Manjeet and Ranjit difference by 3 years. So the age of two friends are given. Two friends are Manjeet and the Ranjit difference by the 3 years. Next one sentence is given here. Manjeet's father Dharma is twice as old as Manjeet. So first condition is given this one. The difference of Manjeet and Ranjit is 3 years. And next one condition is given. Manjeet father Dharma is twice as old as Manjeet. Next, and Ranjit as twice as old as his sister Jasprit. So Ranjit's sister is here Jasprit. So Ranjit as twice as old as his sister Jasprit. So the age of Jasprit and Dharma is difference by 30 years. Suppose next condition you have to take the difference of Dharma and Jasprit means the difference is 30 years. So you have to find the age of Manjeet and Ranjit. So suppose you have to look at this question means it is little bit confusion. So just you have to read the question twice means you will get clear what they given and what you have to find. So here given first one here given two friends age Manjeet and Ranjit difference is 3 years. So this is the first one case. So maybe we will get clear. Second one condition is little bit confusion. That's why I have to read the twice of the question. So Manjeet's father Dharma is twice as old as Manjeet. So comparing to the age of Manjeet and his father, so his father age is twice as old as Manjeet. Next one is given the Ranjit as twice as old as his sister Jasprit. Suppose you have to here comparing to the Jasprit and Ranjit. So Ranjit is twice as compared to his sister that is Jasprit. Next, the age of Jasprit and Dharma is difference by 30 years. Then you have to find out the age of Manjeet and Ranjit. So let us see how to find out the age of Manjeet and Ranjit. So first you have to take the present age. Let the present age of Manjeet. Present age of Manjeet is X years. This is the present age of Manjeet is X year. Next, let the present age of Ranjit equal to Y years. So you can take here present age of Manjeet is X year and present age of Ranjit is Y year. First one condition, according to the first condition, first condition is given the age of two friends that is Manjeet and Ranjit difference by 3 years. First condition you have to write X minus Y equal to 3. This is the first one condition. Suppose you have to compare the Manjeet and Ranjit age means, so Manjeet age minus Ranjit age means you will get the 3 years. So you have to take here condition X is greater than Y. Suppose you have to consider the Y is greater than X means you will get the difference answer. X minus Y equal to 3 is given means equal to 3 is given. Suppose you have to consider this condition of this case means you will get the answer difference. So you can calculate that method also. You can take here Y minus X equal to 3 means you will get the age of Manjeet and Ranjit, you will get the difference. That is also right. But now I am considering here X minus Y equal to 3, that is X is greater than Y. That's why we take X minus Y equal to 3. Here Manjeet age is greater than the Ranjit age. So this is the condition 1. Next one they have to read here. Manjit's father Dharma is twice as old as Manjit. So Dharma is Manjit's father is, we can take here Dharma age, you have to take up Manjit age, you have to can take Dharma is equal to, what is the Dharma is? Dharma is the father of Manjit. Suppose you have to comparing the Manjit and Dharma age means, here given Manjit's father Dharma is twice as old as Manjit. So now present age of Manjit is x, so Dharma age become twice means how to multiply with 2, that is 2x. Next condition is given Ranjit as twice as old as his sister Jasprit. Suppose you have to compare the age of Ranjit and Jasprit means, so Ranjit is twice as old as Jasprit. So you can write here Jasprit age equal to, so Manjit and Dharma age comparing means Dharma age is twice as old as Manjit. Now we can compare the age of Ranjit and Jasprit. So Ranjit is twice as old as Jasprit. So already we consider here Ranjit age is y. So we can take here Jasprit age is y by 2. Now we can say that Jasprit and Ranjit, suppose you are comparing the age of both Ranjit and Jasprit means, so y by 2 and y means it is the twice of the Jasprit. So y by 2 is twice of the y. So you can take here 2x means you can take here y. Suppose you consider here already y means you can take here y by 2. So this indicates that so Ranjit is twice as old as his sister, that is Jasprit. So second one condition you can write according to the second one condition. Second condition is given here. The Dharma difference by the age of Jasprit and Dharma difference by 30 years. Suppose you have to difference of Jasprit and Dharma means we get the 30 year, that is 2x minus y by 2 equal to 30. So now we can take LCM. LCM means how much will take the LCM? LCM is 2. 1 and 2. LCM is 2. So cross multiplication means we get 4x minus y equal to 30 years. Next step, 4x minus y equal to 30 into 2. So 4x minus y equal to 60. This is equation number 2. Now, equation number you can observe 1 and equation number 2 you can observe means it is in the form of a pair of a linear equation in two variables, that is x, y constant term. Here also x and y constant term. Now we can solve x and y value. So very simple, that is algebraical method. We can use here substitution method, elimination method or cross multiplication method. So now comparing the equation 1 and 2. Now comparing equation 1 and 2. Suppose you have to compare the equation 1 and 2 means we get the, that is x minus y equal to 3. This is 4x minus y equal to 60. This is the first one the equation, this is the second one the equation. Suppose you have to eliminate means here both are minus, already coefficient of y and coefficient of y is same. So that's why. So here not necessary to multiply by the equation number 1 and 2 by any number. So just you have to change the sign. So here plus means you can take here minus, minus means plus, plus means minus. So plus y minus y get cancelled. Minus 4x and x will get here minus 3x equal to minus 60 plus 3 will get minus 57. So minus minus get cancelled. Can write here x equal to 57 into 3 means divided by 3. So x equal to 3 1 3 1 3 9 27. So x value 19. So x is the age of Manjit. So present age of Manjit is 19 years. but you want to find out the Ranjit also. Just you have to substitute, put x equal to 90 in equation 1. R2 means you will get the Ranjit is, substitute in equation number 1. In one equation is x minus y equal to 3. X is how much? 90 minus y equal to 3. So 90 plus 3 means it become minus 3 equal to 1. So 16 equal to 1. Y is the present age of your Ranjit. So last one sentence you have to write. Therefore, the present age of Manjit is 19 years and the present age of Ranjit is 16 years. Difference means you will get 19 minus 16 is 3 years. Suppose you have to apply or you have to substitute x and y value in second equation also means you will get that is 60 years. So this time you have to find out the age of 4 members, that is given Manjit, Ranjit and his father and his sister. So this is the method to find the age of Manjit, Ranjit and Jasprit and Dharma. So suppose you want to consider here x minus y equal to 3 means you will got the answer x equal to 19 and y equal to 60. Suppose in second case you can consider y minus x equal to 3. Here you can condition, you can write y is greater than x. Then the age of Manjit and age of Ranjit you will get, it may be 21 and 22. The difference of these two is equal to 3 years. So let us check out the second one condition. You can take here the age of Manjit is y here, the present age of Ranjit is x here, or you can take Manjit is x, Ranjit is y similarly. But condition you can take here y minus x equal to 3. You can write here y is greater than the x. Then you have to solve by the same method means you will get the x value is 21 and y value is 24. Let us check and give the comment what will you get the answer when you take the condition like this y minus x equal to 3. So here condition y is greater than the x. So next session we will discuss some more word problem. So related to the pair of a linear equation in two variable. Thank you and have a nice time.